Hello guys. So I was actually recording and the sound card went off, so I'm going to be doing it from the start again. So thank you if you're watching from TikTok. Thank you very much. My name is Geetee, and in this particular video I want to show you how I worked on my double exposure images. Now I have not tried to recover, like to link any image that is missing before, so I am just not going to start doing that now. I am going to just copy what I have here. So basically I want to edit some of the double exposure images that I shot. Just the double exposure image. So I'm going to select from here to here, then I'm going to drag into my editing software where I am going to paste. I'm just going to increase my highlight. So this image was shot with ISO 50, then it was shot with shutter speed. The shutter speed was at 4 seconds. I was using 4 seconds as the shutter speed. Then I was shooting at f8. I was using 85 mm for this particular shot. So I was not actually shooting to get the depth of field, though. That's why I was shooting at f8. But this is how the image came out, because I was shooting at 4 seconds. I had to tell them what to do, how they will move, so that it would come out like this. So basically they were actually together here, then they moved. So what the camera captures better is the last part of the 4 seconds. That is what it captures better. So these are like the first part of the 4 seconds. These are like the last part. So I'm going to increase this a little, add more contrast, like about 11, bring down my highlight a little, take down the blacks because I want to focus on what I'm seeing here. So to my clarity, I'll just increase the structure by just a little. Then the haze, I'm going to leave the dehaze like that. I'm going to check my curve if it's balanced. I'm just going to push it just a little. Then take my curve up, bring this part back, level it, take this part up. So let's see our before and our after. This is our before, this is our after. So I am just going to copy that settings to all my images before I am going to start selecting. So I'm going to just paste it in every single one of them. Then I am going to pick this one first. This is the one I am going to pick first. As you can see, the image is still sharp, so I'm going to move this to Photoshop. Now, I always say it's going to load according to the kind of system you're using. So let's see what we have. So as you can see, our image is sharp. So let me just do a tiny retouching, not something serious. Just do about radius of 7. Just try to fix some little areas. So if you're watching from YouTube, you can actually check my YouTube shorts to see how I was moving my light. I think if I want to do a video on this, I'm going to do a very serious video. That's why I am yet to do any video. So I'm going to just clean up, then I'm done. I'm not doing anything more than that. So I want to fill the frame with the image, so I'm going to merge everything to a new layout, then Ctrl T to transform. I'm going to take this up, then bring this down a little. So I'm actually doing it this way because this can actually sell as an artwork. So that's why I'm doing it this way. So this is what we have. So let's try using the enhanced plugins that this particular company DM'd me to do video about. The company said they want me to just go through it, then do a video on it. So I'm going to try it. Please, if you're watching, don't forget to hit the like button. Keep liking. If you're watching from TikTok, if you're watching from Instagram, please. Sorry, if you're watching from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe. So this particular plugins is very heavy. When I say heavy, I mean it's equipped with so much. The only problem I have with this plugin right now is how long it takes to load. That is like the problem I have with it. Apart from that, plugins give me the vibes that I'm looking for. Let me zoom out a little. So where is my zoom? I don't want one-on-one, so oh, that's too red. This looks better. This looks better. So the plugins, you can actually save some preset and use later. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to just stick to this one. So once you select anyone, you can actually touch your temperature, keep it the way you want. I like this. My tint, don't know if I should bring it down or take it up. No, I don't want that. I want it on the yellow side. So I will go down to black point and see if we want to increase it or reduce it. Let's keep it around here. White point. We want our white to come out very nice. Let's push in the blacks so that we can push in our white point. So that is that, and I'm going to close this point. I think this gives me what I'm actually looking for, so I'm going to save it. I'm going to save this as, yes, I'm going to save it as my new friend. Please, if you're watching from TikTok, please give me a like. So this is the before, this is the after. So don't forget to reduce your fill or opacity, whichever one works best for you. Then I am going to just bring in a little bit of blacks. So first of all, I am going to bring it down very well, and I'm going to use my brush. I'm going to use my brush to paint out some areas that I want to appear back. So I'm going to paint the whole of this area. So then we have this. So I can now add a little bit of my red back, then add yellow, just a little, remove my magenta to get what I'm seeing now. So to me, this is looking really nice, and I'm going to just now clean the eyes. I have a video on my page that will show you how to go through the whole setting process of the cleaning eye action. Yeah. So what I'm doing is that I'm just cleaning the eyes. Now you have this, but I'm still going to reduce it to about 50%. Then here we go. So it's easy. Just know the settings that you want to use for the image, and trust me, the image is going to come out really nice and you're going to love the end outcome. This is actually called a long exposure. For those of you doing photography, you understand that this is a long exposure. This image was shot just once. So once again, if you like the video or you want me to expatiate you want me to expatiate on this video, please drop a comment under this video and I'll sure expatiate on this video to tell you more about how you can come up with something like this with just one shot. Once again, thank you. I want to use this time out to also thank everyone that has been following me, that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you and God bless you.